Your Roam is equipped with an under-vehicle lift, also known as a UVL. The UVL is made by Bronability and has a 750-pound weight capacity. It will also come with two remotes, a wireless remote that you can take with you, and a remote that is corded and tethered to the vehicle. To operate the lift, hold the down button to lower the lift to the ground. Once loaded onto the lift, hold the up button to raise the lift into the vehicle. Once you're into the vehicle, if you hold the stow button, the lift will stow underneath the vehicle. There are also two threshold sensors on the lift. The first is inside the vehicle that is in the space of where the lift will roll out. The second is on the lip of the lift. If either of these are interfered with, you will hear a beeping noise coming from the lift to indicate that it's not safe to operate. Your UVL also has an interlock system. This allows the lift only to be used when the vehicle is in park, the door is fully opened, and the parking brake is engaged.